we're going to a repeat customer. She's had an evaporator changed out back in 22. And then I went ahead because she had a bad compressor in her unit. I went ahead and put in a Goodman heat pump, 2.5 ton, and the evaporator, it was put in 22, and I put in the Goodman in 24. And here just recently she called me and told me that she has a leak. So I'm assuming, you know, either brazing that I did to the outside unit or something going on with the evaporator. I don't know. Seems odd that it would just all of a sudden start leaking. But, you know, it is what it is. So we're going to go ahead and check it out for her and see if we can't solve this problem of refrigerator leaking. So I'm going to try to take some videos of it.
Yep, I guess I should have brought some bubble soap, but I forgot it. And I don't hear anything here. Nothing. I mean, everything is just bone dry here. I mean, I don't see anything wet. The way this thing leaked out, I'm thinking it's on the small line. Because I mean, there's nothing in it. I don't see anything that indicates that we have a leak here. There's no oil trace that I can see. Oop. See that? There it is. Yep. That's it. Yep. Yep, I'm convinced. That's it. That's it, my man. We're installing a new line set, and you know, we've already been up in the attic and tied it into the evaporator, or to the air handler. And so anyway, we bore through, and we're going to go ahead and button this up over here. So we were here yesterday, and you know, we started the line set, and I got the before pictures, but I didn't get the after pictures. So that's what I'm doing here today. So I just want to go ahead and just show you know, what we did. And as you can see, I didn't take anything inside the attic. I mean, you know, you get the idea. And it's just something for, you know, for the new guys that they think about running a line set on the outside of the home. You know, the best thing to do is to, you know, cover it up, either with mini split, or, you know, what I use is just regular gutter material. So anyway, I just wanted to finish it out. Thanks for watching.